What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a quick beat run through, so check it out. So let's break it down. First, we got our vocal. Everything that I ask, no, just that. And we have our brass. We got our bass here. Just a simple Serum preset, automating the weight position on the sine wave here. Then this J-Views top loop, cut some highs, and we get into our drop, hi-hat, this boxy kick, fat snare, and then throughout it I just have my girlfriend peeing. And then I added some flux on this to kind of give it that movement. And then all together.